Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be going over what happened this week with my portfolio. If you remember from my last video, I had a balance of a little over $5,000. So within this week, I lost about $400 just because all of the technology stocks have been dropping a decent amount this week. We did decide to purchase into Tesla, like I mentioned in my previous video, and Apple due to their split. And right now, as you can see along the right hand side, I am negative $257 on Tesla, negative $63 on Apple, and negative 20 on Smith & Wesson. I'm still fairly positive on Amazon. So looking at this week, you'll see that during this time, there was that huge dip, which I'm sure a lot of people saw if you own any type of tech company. So a very disappointing week for us, going down about 8% or $400, but hopefully everything will rebound. I decided to just hold everything, not even touch it. I decided not to buy into it anymore because at this point I've invested pretty much all that I had ready to be invested into stocks. So we're just going to be sitting on this for the next couple weeks, couple months, and hopefully it'll get back up to $5,000 and maybe even more. I mean, I'm just hoping for some really good news to come out from Tesla, but this is what we're going to be working with. So just going into them a little bit here. For Tesla directly, my average cost for Tesla is $462.90. So about $463. And right where we're sitting, it is at $422. So definitely a good buying opportunity. A lot of you guys had when it went under 400 for a little bit here on just this morning. Actually, just this morning it was just under 400. So I'm sure a lot of people decided to buy in at that point. And if you did, good for you. Let me know if you happen to buy in at that huge major dip. So let's go over to Apple over here real quick. So my average cost for Apple is $128.78. Right now, it's just down $7 about, and not doing too great, but it's on the rebound at the moment. Again, it showed that significant hit of the tech drop, and hoping it goes back up. The Smith & Wesson has been interesting for me. So for those of you guys who are not aware, Smith & Wesson is a firearm stock, and at points it hit its highest point like about a month ago. So I mean, I really do wish I would have sold at this point. And then I've just been riding this huge dip. It went back up, another dip, went back up again, and a dip. So I'm predicting, just by the way it's been looking and all of the negative news going around of rioting happening, I am predicting it's going to skyrocket for a little bit and potentially another dip after that, just from everyone selling off. So I'm going to be keeping a close eye on Smith & Wesson and just waiting for that huge spike again. And then maybe at that point I'll drop out. I don't know. We'll see. But I have good faith into this company, this brand. So going back, like I mentioned previously, I'm going to be trying to purchase more Amazon in the near future. I really wish I could have bought more into that dip, but at this point in time, don't have the money to be investing in more stocks. So let me know how your portfolios are ending for the week. For the day, I'm up $71. And like I said, for the week, negative 400. So it's been a rough week. But we're just going to ride it out, see what happens, and not going to lose any sleep over it because this is not any money that I was planning on using within the next few years. It just kind of really sucks to see it drop. I mean, same thing happened, with the whole COVID thing in my 401k. I saw a certain amount and then that dip. I was like, oh, well, good thing I'm not going to use it for the next 40 years or 40 plus years. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. Let me know what percentage you guys are up or down in the comment section below.